About the JN.1 COVID variant. 1. It's a subvariant of the Delta strain. 2. It first emerged in mid-2023. 3. It's officially termed B.1.617.2.1, but colloquially known as JN.1. 4. Initial detection was in the state of Jharkhand, India. 5. It's more transmissible than its parent variant. 6. It's caused significant outbreaks in several countries. 7. It's shown resistance to some treatments. 8. Vaccines still offer protection against severe disease. 9. It's prompted increased public health measures globally. 10. Ongoing research is critical to understand its full impact. And the list goes on. Armed with knowledge, we stand stronger. Stay vigilant, stay safe. This is the JN.1 COVID variant in a nutshell.